Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LearnIT. Today we will be having another interesting session that is related to Formula Builder which was launched in Tokyo version. If you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT. Please watch my videos till the end for complete information. So let us proceed further on Formula Builder. So what is Formula Builder? So Formula Builder provides a more Excel-like experience in creating a calculated fields in glide tables without writing any JavaScript. So we can generate any calculation based on two columns which are present in our table. So what is the benefit of using Formula Builder? So we can use a predefined function and create a formula to calculate the column without writing a script. So this is a great advantage where you can calculate based on two columns in a table. Alright, so we have couple of supported operators and functions which is utilized when we are creating a formula. Alright, so let us proceed further and see what are those operators. So the following comparison operators are supported only for number type values. So you can see there is a equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So you can calculate these operators based on numeric values in some fields. Alright. And what are the functions which we will be using in our Formula Builder? So let's proceed further and see. So we are having multiple types of functions that can be used for calculation. So first is simple math functions. So there are some average, divide, index match, max, min, subtract, sum, countif, mode. We have multiple options under simple math functions. Alright. And under string functions, we have concatenation, substring, and is blank, length, uppercase, lowercase. So we have these type of functions that can be used within string functions. We have couple of date and time functions where we can calculate the date difference as well as we can get today's date or month, year, weekday. So we can calculate using those date time functions. Alright, so we have functions like date diff, date. And we have couple of logical functions where we can calculate values based on those if, or, and, if error. Right. So these are all formula building things like operators and functions which will be utilized in creating a formula for the two columns where we will see further how we can use it. Alright, so let us proceed for a demo how we can utilize Formula Builder in our personal developer instance, and I will show you how we can use it. So let's proceed further in our personal developer instance. So you can see we have already in our personal developer instance. Alright, now I will show you how we can utilize our Formula Builder under our tables. Alright, so let us proceed. Now I will type LearnIT table. So we are having this table LearnIT groups. So now I will click on new button and you can see we have multiple fields created already for this demo. Alright, we have value 1, value 2 and we have result field here. And this is the maths calculation. So like we will be calculating sum of these two values in this result section. So currently nothing is, this is not working because I didn't configure any formula here. Alright. So nothing is calculated here. After saving also we will not get anything calculated here. So let us try to do something and then we can see how this Formula Builder works. So let us move to our dictionary of this result field. And you can see there is a advanced view. So let us click on advanced view. Now you can see there is a calculated value field here. So we will click on calculated, and then we will calculate type will be selected as formula. So this is the new thing which was launched in Tokyo version. Previously there was only script, but now formula is also available here. So I have clicked on formula, and now I will generate some formula here based on 2 columns. So this is the function which I have used, math function, and now I will use value 1 comma value 2. So this will calculate the sum of these 2 variables, sum of these 2 values. Alright, so let me update it. And now you can see the result is already started calculating. So 12, 23 is 35. So it is already calculated. Suppose I will type here 25. The calculation should be 48. See, the calculation is done already. And suppose if I have to change some value here again. So I will type 78. And now I will save again. So it will be 101. Right. Similar way we can use multiple math functions. We have like subtract also. Right. So we can do that as well. So alright. So this is the first name, last name. So we will generate some email. So using our string, suppose like we can add our concatenation thing. So this is the string functions concatenate, which we will be using here. The email will get auto generated while our concatenation formula is written. Alright, so let us try to do that as well and check how it works. Again, we will click on advanced view. Again, I will click on calculated value. Formula is already selected. Now, what I will do is like, I will write concatenate. And now what I will do is, first I will take first name. Alright, I have already taken this first name. And now what I will do is like, I will add dot. So this is the concatenation thing which will be concatenated when the calculation will happen for email generation. Alright, so I will type last name comma then @ this will be, I am generating a concatenation for email. Alright. LearnIT.com. Okay. Alright, so I will update it. And now I will type first Prashant Kumar, and now I will try to save this record. Now you will see what happens. You can see our email is generated using our concatenate functions under a string. Alright, so you can see we have already added the concatenation for this first name, last name, and we have generated an email. Alright, now third one is like I will calculate the date difference. So like there was some date and time functions. So I will calculate the difference between these two dates. Alright, so let's see what we can configure for this date difference formula. So again we will configure dictionary. And now I will go to advanced view section of this form again. And now we will click on calculated value again. And we can select formula. And here we can write our function date diff. u underscore start date, comma u underscore end date. Alright, now this will calculate the difference between these two dates. Alright, so let us see how it is calculating those. So now we will select any date here. Suppose I am selecting 15 and I am selecting today's date. Alright, so now a difference will be coming like 6. I will show you how. You can see the date difference is calculated 6 between 15 March and 21st March. You can see the difference is 6 days. So date difference is calculated on this field because I have written a formula under this dictionary of this field. Alright, using these two fields. And similar way, here I am generating an email using concatenation function. And here I am doing a maths calculation where I am doing some addition between these two values. Alright. So this is quite interesting one, right? So formula builder is really interesting because it will eliminate the use of our JavaScript, right? So I will show you the table where we can see all the functions. So here you can see all the functions: max, min, mod, month. You can see there are 38 functions mentioned here. And what it will do, it is already written in short description: and, average, concatenation, countIf, dateDiff. You can see I have used this dateDiff, concatenate, and I have used sum also, right? So there are 38 functions where you can use it in your dictionary fields so that you can eliminate the use of JavaScript, right? So this is quite interesting, and this formula builder was launched on Tokyo version, and people are using it and finding it very interesting where they are using in their projects. Alright, so please provide your comment if you have any questions, doubts or queries related to this session. For more information, please visit the description section under this video. Thanks for hearing me out. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT.